We still have some silly season news coming out with Preston Boespflug, and I'm Boespflug. I'm sorry if I absolutely butchered last name. I just can't say it. Signing with BarX Suzuki. This is going to be his third team in the last 3 years, racing for he inked a deal with Team Green Kawasaki in 2022 or for 2022, and then in 2023 he raced for KTM. So pretty big. I mean, kind of big moves considering you go from one brand to another brand to another brand. Apparently, this is from what at least I can see or what I can read and find, whatever, a 1-year deal with BarX Suzuki. So who knows? If you go from one brand to another, you're not really getting any familiarity with a team. I think his mechanic is at least joining with him, so you'll have some familiar there with what, the mechanic should know what he likes and what he wants, and that's probably good for him because being on 3 different motorcycles, 3 different manufacturers, different parts and sponsors and everything else, it's got to be a big move. But this is cool. This is for the 250 side of things, and I'm excited to see what happens because he did say, quote, "I'm super stoked to announce I'll be part of BarX Suzuki for 2024, East Coast SX." So he is planning, I guess, doing the East Coast. But in the comments below, you guys tell me, is this a big move? Do you care because he's just a rookie and who knows what happens with this? Is it a Suzuki? So you're like, yeah, whatever. Or are you excited for this? But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me where you think he finishes. Are you excited for it? Whatever. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see you later. Peace.